Hi guys, my name is Emily. Welcome back to Junk Journal Inspirations. So I'm here with the week 18 prompts for the Simply Random Ephemera Challenge. We only have 3 weeks left, so I'm super excited. I cannot wait. I've had so much fun with this. I want to try and come up with something else to do after this, but I'm gonna wait until after my surgeries, so don't expect it right away. I'll do some thinking while I'm recuperating, and then I'll try and come up with something else to do. If you have any ideas, let me know. I'd love to hear what your ideas are, and maybe I can kind of put together something viewer requested. All right, so let's go ahead and choose. So we have our theme for this week will be, I don't really have anything to move around anymore, floral. Our technique will be altered. So alter something, make it into something else. Take something and turn it into something else. Oh, this is our color. And our color will be red. And our 3 items. So don't forget about the giveaway that will be at the end of this. So safety pins. I will choose one winner from one random process video from the challenge to win all of the items that I have made during the challenge. An envelope. So you'll want to go comment on all of my process videos. You can find them in a playlist on my channel. That's linked in the description box as well. And Brad's. And so make sure you've commented on all 20 of them, including the ones that my friend Jenny has done. And then I will choose one at random to then randomly choose the winner from. And US only this time, I'm sorry, but so expensive to ship things unless you want to pay for the shipping, in which case feel free to enter. Maybe just send me a message ahead of time letting me know that that's the plan, or you can just say it in your comment that you're out of the States but you want to be entered, and you agree to pay the shipping at the, when the time comes. Obviously I don't know how much that's going to be, because everybody's all over the place, right? So you can ask, you can contact me and let me know, and I can try and give you an estimate, but it's not going to be probably very accurate. Okay, so here are the prompts for week 18. I hope you guys have fun with them. I can't wait to see your projects. And starting this week, my friend Jenny will be doing the process videos on my channel. So stay tuned for that. Super excited for her. And make sure you show her lots of love, give her lots of comments and lots of thumbs up. And yeah, so I think that's it. I started rambling and then I couldn't stop myself. All right, guys, have a fabulous week and a fabulous day. I will talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.